if we do see some key relief, this is now the main level of resistance for XRP to break. So until XRP does get back above 180, 190, we're still in murky waters. Now let's look at our next fractal. Now this was a chart that I shared back in December of 2025. And I said, could you handle this path to $27 for XRP, right? And what it entailed was a replication of 2017. In 2017, we had a massive ABC correction. And we had a huge wick back then. I think it was about a 60% wick drop, right? But in 2017, XRP held its 0382 and 05 fib demand zone. During that correction, we had the wick, but the candle was secured above the 050. Now, fast forward to 2026. This was when XRP was back at $2. And I said, it isn't something I see just yet because we was defending our $1.80 support base. But I did show it as a warning sign. And I said that if XRP does crash any further, what we potentially have is an ABC correction similar to 2017, where we could come back towards $1.17 on the 05 fib demand zone before looking for explosion. Now, fast forward a couple of months later with the exact same fractal. I've just changed the colorations of the candles around. You can see that this C wave has now come into fruition. And XRP has actually come back down to its 05 fib at $1.18. So again, it wasn't something I was seeing. It was a warning sign. But this theory has unfolded. We have corrected in this C wave, potentially C wave, back down to $1.12, right? Which is just scooping below the target that I had if we saw further correction. So it's not about whether you could handle the path, because this is what my quote was. Could you handle this journey to $27 in the past? You now have to, at a bare minimum. So nonetheless, this isn't a prediction. It's just guidance. We saw it, we didn't expect it, but now it's here.